opened up the Autopost tool, and the very first thing we're going to do is set up the account. So we're going to go into the account manager and add a new account. Now at the moment, you can see when we open this drop down menu, we only have the choice of Facebook, but keep in mind the developers are working on that, and they will add more platforms, social media platforms, in as time goes on. So be patient with that. And but right now it's really great to use it for Facebook. So we're going to add a Facebook account, and it'll ask you to log in with your Facebook account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I've already linked an Autopost tool to Facebook for my regular account, so I'm going to continue as Terry Stevenson. And now I have to pull up the Facebook account and add this page. So I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to choose from my list of pages, and I built a Build It with Grandma page for this purpose only, for the training site. So I'm going to import that, and it brings in that account to this page where I can schedule it and unlink it. So I can schedule, and you'll see we pull up all the schedule. Of course, we don't have anything yet in our account. I'm getting ready to schedule these posts to go out Monday through Friday this week. So I'm going to come down here to tomorrow, 27th, it happens to be. I'll choose it, and in the name of the new rule, I'm going to post the title. So I'm going to go over to my Trello board, my trusty Trello board that I showed you earlier, and I'm going to pull up the post card for that day, and I'm going to copy the title from Monday's post. And I'm going to paste it right here. The account is the Build It with Grandma account. We'll post it, I'm going to post it at 8:15 a.m. Post my text in here. So I'm going to go back to that Word document that I created the post for. Now remember, this is the shortened version that's going to Facebook. So I'm going to find that document, and that's the, pull this out of the, well, I guess I can find it here. We'll find the Create Your Own Brand document for Facebook. Right here it is. So I'm going to select it, open it up. This is, enlarge it so you can see it. This is the shortened version of the longer blog post. So I've got this link here that's going to direct them back to our website. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it and select the edit. So it should save that now. And now we have this post set for the 27th. Now let's do the 28th. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put the image. So I need to select my image and choose the file. And let me go back and make sure I choose the right file. And I put them in my articles folder. So where is, this is the first one. There we go. We'll open it. And now I've edited that rule, and we've got our first post made. Now let's see how quickly we can do the next one. Go to my Trello board. Make sure I'm doing the right post. Title here. That's the name of the new rule. It's going to the right account. We'll do the same here. We'll just make this 8. And how about the same time, AM, and we're going to have an image. So I'll choose that image, and let me pull up, let's see, how to leverage the voice of That's right, I remember. I wrote a post and put it at the end of this one. All right, so I'm going to copy this. And we'll minimize this for the moment and close out of this, and we'll post it here. And that takes care of that post. So now I'll move on to the next one, and that's 7 shocking video marketing case studies. So we'll add a rule for here, add the title, copied it from my Trello board, and I'll add it here. And now we'll set the time, again, AM, and we're going to add an image. Now we have to open up the Facebook 7 Shocking. There it is. So let me open it up. And I'll go ahead and grab that post, copy it, then add the rule. Now we're on to the 30th. So I've grabbed Thursday's post title, and I'm going to put it in the rule name, set my time, add the image, choose our file, and now I need to grab the text. So I'll find Facebook, what is video marketing? And we'll grab that text, copy it. Now I can close this as well as that, add the rule. So now we only have one more day left for the week, and I'll copy and paste that title, set the time, add file, image, and now I'll find the text. Copy it, close it, put it in the post section, and add the rule. Now, see how easy that was? It was really great. And you see, if you're well organized with your time, and you can pull apart some articles or even use some PLRs and some source of inspiration to write the articles, sit down and just do them all in one day. Then you can come into the program and post them, kind of like set it and forget it. Now, of course, you can't forget it because we're trying to build engagement, and hopefully this is going to pull people in. They're going to find value in your content. It's really an awesome way to streamline your processes. And if you have a VA or an administrative assistant or somebody that can do this for you, you can grant them privileges to go in and schedule these posts yourself. So you really want to take advantage of the automation that Builderall brings to the table. And it's only going to get better because, as I said before, the developers are working on bringing other social media platforms into the Autopost app so we can automate our posts across more than just the Facebook platform.